So this is a CS tendon trainer which is running from one end to the other. Because of some injury, we'll assume this tendon has got cut. Now, if it is a ragged cut, then you can always freshen up the edges and align them together to see if they are matching. They need to match before any procedure. So, this is your cut tendon. Now, the first thing is to fix the tendon using push pins provided in the kit bag. The technique that we will be demonstrating is a modified Kessler suture. In this, we enter from the cut end through one side, you're going in and coming out from the sides of the tendon. Then you will pass the needle from below the tendon and come out from the opposite side. And here, what you will do is go inside from the side and come out from the cut end like this. Now, the other side of the tendon, we will follow the same procedure. We will go in from the cut end and come out from the sides. You have to see that your edges are matching up. Now again, we will pass the needle from below the tendon and come to the opposite side. And from this side, you will go in from the side of the tendon and come out from the center. So once you start approximating the tissues, you will see that your tendon edges are coming together. We're doing a basic instrument tie over here. We will cut the thread out from the opposite end and cut it as small as possible. You can see from the anterior end how well the tendons have been approximated. Now when you try to pull the tendons apart, you can see the edges are pushing towards each other so that there is less tension on the suture line. You can see how the two ends are holding the tendons together. To complete suturing, we will just approximate the paratendons. This will be an added layer of support to the primary suture line. We will keep taking these added layers of sutures over the primary sutures until we have covered the entire circumference of the tendon. So if we are using a monofilament suture, we will require at least 5 to 6 knots to stay in place. Now, coming on to the posterior side, we will turn the tendons over and fix them again using push pins. Normally, in a patient, you can always ask the assistant to flip the tendons over for you and hold them. We again continue taking these added sutures over the primary sutures. So here is your sutured tendon, which is very well approximated, and no matter how much traction you apply, it will not give away. So this is the posterior end and this is the anterior end, and both the ends are holding properly without any tension on the cut ends.